Hey guys! I'm starting off by sizing these long nail tips to fit my nails, then gluing them on using KDS nail glue. Then I'm using straight nail clippers to trim the tips into a stiletto shape. I start by trimming off the length. Then I make a diagonal cut starting from the sidewall of my natural nail going up to the center of the free edge of the nail tip. You want to make sure to cut in a straight line so that way you get a nice crisp shape. And then I do the same on the other side and make sure it looks even. I do the same for all the other nails. And then apply my Beetles Foundation Base Gel. Now I'm going to use Renmal Clear Hard Gel to build the strength of the nails. I start by applying a large bead where my natural nail is and spread that into the cuticles and sidewalls and then brush it downwards. You can see here it doesn't have much of an apex, so I'm going to use another bead of hard gel to fix that. I'm applying a large bead by the cuticle and brushing it down. This is going to help build an apex and make sure that the nail is nice and strong. So looking at it from the side, you can now see that we have a nice apex. I repeat this for all the other nails in here. Then I'm removing the sticky layer with acetone. Melody Susie Stacy drill. I'll have a review up in the cards. Alright, now that everything is finished filing, I'm going to wipe off the dust and debris from the filing off using a non-acetone remover, but acetone will work just fine as well. Then I'm going in with a base coat and applying 2 coats of red gel polish to follow. Then I'm using white gel polish and a tiny dotting tool to create 2 tiny dots and then dragging and connecting them together to create a small heart. Then I'm making another heart above and below the first one and just repeating that until I have a line of hearts going all the way from cuticle to free edge of my nail. Then I'm making another line of hearts on both sides of the original line and continuing to do that until I filled up the nail with hearts. These don't need to be perfect, so try not to stress it too much. I then do the same thing on every nail. They're looking super cute. Now that we've finished the hearts, we're going to be applying some bling. Here I'm using some more clear hard gel and just applying that by the cuticle area. And then brushing it downwards to smooth it out. I'm using this as a glue, and then using my wax pencil, I'm picking up a couple of clear crystals and placing those onto my nail. Once I have the rhinestones applied how I want, I apply a glossy top coat. I love how this design turned out, and I hope you guys all did too. They kind of remind me of pajama patterns, which I think is kind of cute. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more nail videos. Hope to see you next time. Bye!